mother sent me, and I thought she could find them.
Jasmine. Good gay scar. Oh, there's my last year's ABC picture.
Where? Open?
No.
Is that a girl?
Maldonado.
Okay.
Who walked in?
Oh, I didn't say she said.
Oh.
Are you taking a video?
You go, faux show.
It said faux show. Are you going to be able to bring clay so you can throw it at people?
No,
Tomorrow.
because I threw it on the floor.
It's fine. And you have to do it for
He didn't apply, huh? Because he said faux show.
Okay, she said.
She said faux show. So that's what she said. Instead of laughing, I coughed. She has soccer. Look at that. Soccer. Soccer bag. Soccer. 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 I don't have any money this week because I'm saving it to buy snacks on Friday. Smart of me.
Because I brought all the snacks last time.
Who's that guy in the blue? Is that your Lisa's? No, that's Frankie.
Frankie!
Like he's gonna hear you. Oh my God. Frankie! Shut up. Shut up.
I don't know if he heard me.
Jasmine's gay.
Gabby's a lesbian.
Jasmine's gay.
Gabby's a lesbian.
Jasmine's gay.
It's the same thing.
Good. Shut up. It was fun. It was excellent. There's Nikki.
Oh, that was Frankie.
Hi, Samantha. Angel.
I like your bracelet.
Is it a prep bracelet? Oh, no, it's a video.
She's
Look. I'm wearing a prep bracelet.
It's your favorite one too.
Oh, it's a pretty one.
I'm not a baby.
You are? I knew it.
What?
Oh, my brother's going to formal with your cousin.
Really? How do you know?
He told me.
What's his name?
Xavier. Cousin's name Angie, right? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me. When did he ask her?
Oh, yesterday. Well, he hasn't officially asked, but they say that they're going to go together already. But he just wants to ask her, like, in a sweeter way, I guess.
Huh? Wow.